In October 2021, I spent most of my Disney World trip in a family suite at All-Star Music. I didn't get a detailed room tour because I traveled with my aunt and I just wasn't willing to ask her to wait to unpack and to deal with me taking the time to do a room tour. I did take some quick video as unintrusively as I could before my cousin and his family arrived. I like the layout of the suite. It sleeps 6. It has a total of 3 queen-size beds. There are 2 queen-size Murphy beds in the living room area, and then there's a queen-size bed in the bedroom. I like that there's this separate area for the kitchenette in this suite. The fridge here is more of a full size compared to the mini fridge that you get in the Art of Animation suites, and I like the counter and shelf space. It really didn't bother me that there aren't actual cabinets. This worked out fine for what we needed for our trip. I don't drink coffee, but this is the coffee maker that was in this suite. It takes its own kind of pods, so like the ones that my cousin got from the grocery store did not fit in this at all. One thing I didn't like is that there's no door to close off the vanity area from the bedroom. There is a pocket door to close off the rest of the bathroom where the toilet and the shower is, but there's not one from the vanity area to the bedroom, which becomes inconvenient because if 2 people are sleeping in this bedroom and one gets up earlier than the other one to get dressed, there's no door to keep you from flooding the bedroom with light. The second bathroom does have doors closing off the vanity area both from the living room and from the rest of the bathroom, so that worked out well. I'll admit that I'm spoiled by having been able to stay at DVC resorts, but this family suite at All-Star Music is a nice option. Like, say I used up all of my DVC points and I want accommodations on property that are less expensive than renting points, this would be a good option. If you have any questions about this suite, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. That's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope to see you for the next video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you real soon.